fantastic treasure. For this quest, you will need the terrific triangle of rounding.
Rounding to the nearest 10 means you round off the ones. You have to decide if you round up or round down.
Point the arrow where you want to go.
You are between 20 and 30. To find the nearest 10 to go to, look at the ones. Ask yourself, is this number 5 or greater? It is. So point your triangle up.
Woohoo!
What about this number? Look at the ones place. Ask yourself, is this number less than 5? If so, round down.
Woohoo!
Now, can you round this number to the nearest 10? Look at the ones.
Nice work!
Remember, when you round to the nearest 10, just look at the ones and ask yourself, is this number less than 5? Or is it greater than or equal to 5? Now, you have a go. Print out the Nessy activity to try rounding to the nearest 10.
Follow the link in the description for a free printable activity to go with this video.